So dear students, this is my new channel where I am going to tell you how you can learn proper English by adopting certain methods. Well, I will not tell you to adopt, same conventional methods to speak English. Rather, I would suggest some new ideas, some new thoughts for learning English, which is very much experimented by me. I have explored a lot, and then I am discussing this idea with you. So first of all, let me tell you that most of the students, they think that watching movies with English subtitles, they will certainly help you to speak English. No doubt it does. I am not discarding this idea, totally. But the thing is that if you are up to learning something, and if you are thinking that every day you have to work on it, then only this watching movie with English subtitles will not help you in any way. The reason I'm telling you, suppose if you watch an action movie, what happens that your main focus is on subtitles. But an action movies has lots of aspects. There are some emotional scenes, some explosions, some car racing scene, a fighting scenes. You know what happens, you get distracted from your own motto or your own objective to read the subtitles, and you get distracted by these scenes, and they keep on happening in action movies. Consequently, what happens that you really get swayed by emotions, sometimes by excitement, sometimes you are or you find that what will happen at the end of the story. So you are always getting disturbed by these things. So suppose 100 minutes films are there. A film is of 100 minutes. 50 minutes you are going to spend in watching those car race scene, fighting scenes, and emotions, and songs. So many things are there. So that is why I would suggest you, instead of watching films, if you're look, I'm not telling you that watching film does not help us. It helps us a lot. But when you are free, you have nothing to do, not any other, you are taking rest, and while taking rest you are listening or watching a movie, then only subtitles will help you. Otherwise, if you are keeping it as a learning process, and every day if you are doing it, you are just wasting your time in doing this. So instead of doing this, I would suggest you that if you download some videos of daily conversation. Daily conversation means the talk what we do, our day to day life. It will really helps you a lot. Your English speaking skill, sorry, your listening skill will improve. And when you are improving your listening skills, surely what will happen, your speaking part will also improve. So this type of videos, where you learn only and only day to day English, will help you a lot. Understand? So there are so many videos. I would suggest you, one is of Nijo Johnson's, and Nijo Johnson's video is, I'm not promoting any channel. I am just saying because I am also getting benefited by these channels, so that is why I'm suggesting you to watch these channels with English subtitles. And there is a city idea trending. It also helps you a lot because they speak day to day language. And if you adopt those day to day language, you will surely learn English very soon. Your listening skill will improve a lot. Apart from these videos, there are so many channels where you can learn day to day English language speaking. And one more thing I would suggest you that, when you are listening, don't listen it, just sitting idly and keeping your mobile phone in front of you. You are listening. Don't do it. Listen those conversation when you are doing some household chores or busy in waiting in a queue or line or doing some exercises. If you do, if you listen those things while doing some other works, naturally those words will get into your ears and you will get an exposure to this language, an environment to this language unintentionally, without putting lot of effort, because convenient things are very much needed for learning English. While watching movie, you have to put a lot of effort into it. Why? Because there are so many things apart from conversation in an action movie. So that is why what happens, it doesn't go for a long time. After a period, you feel sluggish. You are not ready to watch any more films. You feel that it's a time taking and it's a boring also. So that is why just adopt only those methods which are really convenient, and it gives you relaxation at the same time happiness. So I would suggest you that while doing your cooking, your cleaning, or sometimes exercising, if you listen, all the time, if you're listening conversation going on around you, it will give you a natural kind of environment. Like, what happens when a little child, you know a small child always learns by imitations. When he hears something, what happens, when I was a small baby, I remember there used to be a hawker. He used to cry like this, dahi le lo, khatta dahi le lo. And I used to imitate this. My mother says that I was not able to speak even a single word of that time. Was very small one. And at that time only I used to imitate dahi le lo, taja dahi le lo. So, what happens? A child learns words by imitation. In the same way, you are also a learner. So, keep in mind that you have to fill your own environment with English things all the time. If you are listening English dialogue, English speaking, and you are naturally going to develop your English skill. So just remember that you have to surround yourself with English speaking things, English dialogues, English conversation all the time. And spontaneously you are going to learn. But if you are free, you have nothing to do, then only you can watch movies if you just want to pass your time. But on a daily basis, if you are doing, you are just wasting your time in, watching movies and all. So I hope that you will keep this, suggestion into your mind and do good. Thank you.